Hello, this is Chris Minnick with Webucator. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom page with WordPress endpoints. This video was inspired by a blog post by Paul Robinson, which is available at the URL shown here. Endpoints are points that you can define on the end of a normal WordPress permastruct to provide extra functionality. A permastruct is a permalink structure. You can define permastructs in your permalink settings for posts, pages, date archives, and so forth, as shown here. We're going to create an endpoint for posts using a custom plugin. We'll start with the standard WordPress plugin header, like this. Then we'll make our class. Here we're creating our base class and setting up a few actions within our construct. Next we'll add our activation hook and our rewrite method. You can place these where you like inside the class, but they're normally kept at the top of the class. The activate method sets a transient set to expire after 60 seconds. We do this so we know to flush the rewrite rules when we first add the endpoint. In the rewrite method, we set up our dump endpoint using the permalink EP mask, and then check for our transient. The EP masks are used to tell WordPress which permastructs it should apply your endpoint to. In this case, we only want to add it to the posts. We'll add one more method to do something useful with the endpoint. Endpoints automatically register a query variable for you. Here, we're using that to check if our endpoint is being visited so we can load a custom template. To make this work, just make a template file and place it inside a templates folder in your plugins folder. That's all there is to it. Here's a full copy of the plugin code. You can also find the plugin at the GitHub repository shown here. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks again to Paul for the inspiration. Check out his blog at the URL shown here for other articles related to WordPress.